Hello guys, welcome back, and if you are new here, you are also welcome. Some of you have asked, is it a good idea to share your YouTube videos on other social media platforms? So in today's video, I'm going to dive into this particular topic, and I know by the end of this video, you will know if it is a good idea to share your YouTube videos on other social media platforms or not. Now, let me start with a simple analogy. You are an African, you create African content, and you expect Africans or Africans within Africa and in the diaspora to watch your videos. And after you publish your video on your channel, suddenly the algorithm mistakenly started recommending your videos to audiences in North America and other parts of Asia. You know that video will eventually not perform very well, because one, the click-through rate will be very low because your video will not be relatable to them, and secondly, even those that will click to watch it will not watch it for long. So that will hurt that channel, and definitely within a short period of time, YouTube will stop recommending the videos to a wider audience. Now let's flip the card. Let's say, for example, you that owns this video, you published it on your channel, and now you start sharing this video on other social media platforms where the audiences you have on those platforms are not interested in the kind of content you make on YouTube. For example, let me say I make crypto videos on this channel, and I have my families and friends following me on Facebook, and none of them are interested in crypto. And after I publish my videos or publish my video on this channel, I now share this video on my Facebook page, and out of love and support, my family and friends click to watch this video to support my YouTube growth. So, and most of them will not watch that video for long because they are not interested in crypto topics. So they just click to support and probably watch like some few seconds and click like and move on. So now this kind of views are not quality views, because one, because the people clicking to watch this video are not watching it longer. Hence, this will affect this particular metric called average view duration. Now, this is how the YouTube algorithm works. When you publish your videos for the first time, those few hours and to some extent the few days of you publishing your videos, the YouTube algorithm checks the click-through rate. That is the first metric the YouTube algorithm checks, because when you publish your video, YouTube will start recommending your videos to to your closest audience, that is your subscribers, some of your subscribers, and people that have recently watched your videos. So those are your immediate audience that YouTube will first of all recommend your videos to. So when the click-through rate of that particular video is high, in most cases over 10%, YouTube will recommend that video to a wider audience. So there you can see that you'll be getting more views, and at the same time you'll be seeing the click-through rate could be coming down. But in some cases, if it is a viral video, let's say the video that people are interested in, as the view is going up, the views are going up, you see that the click-through rate will also be going up as well. So this is what the algorithm loves, when the click-through rate is going up and the views are going up. But at some point, the algorithm will start checking for the average view duration, because here, so the click-through rate, the algorithm knows that people are interested in this particular topic of this video. The title and the thumbnail is been attracting people to click to watch this video, so they have interest, they are interested in this particular topic. The next metric that the algorithm will check is the average view duration. So this will determine that, okay, people are watching this video, people are clicking to watch this video, but are they enjoying the video? You get the point. So when the algorithm now discover that people are not watching this video for long, it will stop, or it will throttle down on recommending the video to more people, because it probably, the average view duration will suggest that people are not enjoying this video, where they are clicking to watch it, but they are not enjoying it. So you get the point. So now, if you are sharing your videos on other social media platforms, the algorithm doesn't track YouTube doesn't track the click-through rate. It only tracks the average view duration. So that is where the problem lies. So to some channels, sharing your YouTube videos on other social media platforms could be a good idea, while to other channels, it would be a bad idea. So how do you know if it's a good or bad idea? It depends on the audience. Just like I made an example before, it depends on the audience you are sharing your videos to on this platform. So if the audience you are sharing your videos to are not interested in the kind of content you make on YouTube, so any views you are getting from that place is hurting that video. You get the point. And I know some of us are in some WhatsApp group, Telegram group, Facebook groups, and the rest. But one thing, I know that you want to get some views from these particular groups, but one thing you need to understand is that if the people in these groups are not interested in the kind of, or the topic of the video you are sharing, definitely the views you are getting from that particular or this platform or groups will be hurting that particular video, because one, the YouTube is not tracking the click-through rate. It's only tracking the average view duration. So if the average view duration is very low, definitely it will hurt that video, and the algorithm will stop recommending the videos to a wider audience. Now let me show you my analytics. You can see here, like in the past 28 days, I've already got it on my channel. It has an overall view. We'll have 2.2 million impression and 5.9 click-through rate. So if the click-through rate is not high enough, just like I said earlier, in most cases it should be over 10%. Any click-through rate over 10% is like near perfect. There's some click-through rate that are up to 15. Some I've seen the click-through rate up to 20. And when I talk about click-through rate, I'm not talking about YouTube Shorts. It's just about long-form content. Like as you can see on my channel's analytics, you click on content, you go to video, and you get this analytics. Then from the average video duration, you can see I have 3 minutes 11 seconds. So this is the overall view of my YouTube channel. That is the overall click-through, average view duration on my channel is 3 minutes 11 seconds. So but if you want to check if if other platforms are working well for each individual videos, you go to any of your videos, especially maybe the one that has performed well that you shared on other social media platforms. You open the video. Like on this video, I've already gotten almost 6,000 views. Then when I check out the audience, you can see that I've already gotten over 500 watch time hours, and the average view duration is 5 minutes 15 seconds. This video is 17 minutes long. So now let's find out other platforms, how did they perform based on this particular video. So if I go to see more and click on traffic source, so you know that any views you are getting from outside YouTube is categorized under the YouTube external, that's the traffic source, external traffic source. So on this video, I've gotten 58 views from outside YouTube, and the average view duration is 5 minutes 18 seconds, which is impressive based on the overall average view duration of this particular video. So let me go to my channel's analytics, and then click on see more, then click on traffic. Then if I scroll down to, you can see the external here. So let me sort this by view. So now you can see the external. I've gotten over 14,000 views from outside YouTube, and that's giving me almost 500 watch time hours, and the average view duration is 1 minute 58 seconds. So if you check other sources, like the browse features is over 3 minutes, the suggested videos is from over 5 minutes, and you can see others, and among these is just like the external is the lowest. And this external is where other social media platform views you get from other social media platform, this is the category they fall into. So when I click on external, it will not show me all the platforms where these views are coming from, the external views are coming from. So right here we have at the top YouTube search, and we have others. So I just want to highlight like 2 or 3 platforms. Like here on WhatsApp, you can see that I've got about 370 views from WhatsApp, and the average view duration is 4 minutes 29 seconds. The second WhatsApp platform, 3 minutes 59 seconds, almost 4 minutes. And I still have the third WhatsApp platform here, over 5 minutes. So these views, based on my channel's analytics, this average view duration makes sense. So the views I'm getting from these WhatsApp groups or WhatsApp platform, the people are interested in the kind of video I upload on my channel from this platform. So it's not a bad idea for me to share my channel's link on my WhatsApp. Although it's been a while I've shared my videos on other social media platforms. Probably this could be from some of you that are sharing my videos on your personal groups. So now I want us to compare these WhatsApp platforms with Facebook. So you can see from Facebook, although we have only 16 views from Facebook, but the average view duration is 1 minute 14 seconds. And when you check for Instagram is also like 1 minute 49 seconds. Not minding that they have very low views, but the average view duration is very, very poor. So now if I decide to start sharing my videos on other social media platforms, I think the first platform I will focus on, or the main platform I will focus on, is WhatsApp, because people from that platform, maybe people the audience I have there, are interested in the kind of video I make. And when you check at the click-through rate column, you will see that YouTube doesn't check the click-through rate of views coming from outside YouTube. It only checks on click-through rate within YouTube, from recommendation, home feed, suggested video, and the rest. And because it's not checking the click-through rate, so there's no way YouTube can even create an impression, because these views are coming from outside YouTube. So YouTube cannot recommend its video or videos created within YouTube to other platforms. So that's why you see that there's no impressions there. So if the views are getting from this other social media platforms are adding up well with their average view duration, then you should keep on sharing your videos on this social media platform. However, if they are not adding, if the average view duration is not enough, then you should reconsider sharing your videos. Not all views are quality views. Some views will hurt your videos or even hurt your channel, while some will elevate your videos. The YouTube analytics is there to give an idea of what to do and what not to do on your channel. So check it out. So the answer is yes, and also the answer is no. So it depends on what works best on your channel. So if this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and also remember that this is day 3 of the 7-day challenge. So this is the 3rd video on this challenge. So if you are part of us, I'm going to share a post in the community tab and we will discuss more. And also I'm going to go live tomorrow, that is Thursday, and it will be an open mic day, meaning that I will select some of you that will participate with me on the live stream. I mean live, not in the comment section, but live on camera. So if you like to participate, please check out the update in the community post. So don't forget to also share this video to other content creators on YouTube. Some of us might be making serious mistake by sharing our videos to where or to the wrong audience, by sharing our videos to the wrong audience or where our videos are not needed. So mind where you share your videos, because we have quality views and we have viral views. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.